What's up, fellow casual loggers, and I am really excited today because look what came in the mail today. That is a desktop I bought recently. It's the Asus ROG GD30CI MY001T gaming desktop. That's a mouthful. So the specs for this particular model is that it is an i7 7700. It's got 8 gigs, 1 terabyte hard drive, and 128 gigabyte SSD, and it's got an NVIDIA GTX 1070 at 8 gigs. I bought this from Brightstar Malaysia at Loyat Plaza, and the current price online, if you quote them online, is 4,999. So I think it's a pretty decent deal. And some of you may be wondering, like, how come suddenly you're doing this type of video? And the answer is, you can't go on a holiday every month. I mean, we all live in the real world. So this is going to be my first unboxing video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So stay tuned and let's get to it.